Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Hawaiian rolls. This is quite simple to make and requires a very few ingredients. To start with, we are going to mix. I have here 445 grams of all-purpose flour, which I'm going to put in the bowl. To this, I will add 1 cup of powdered milk, and this is optional. Then I have 5 grams of monk sweetener, 5 grams of salt. I'm gonna mix it well. Then I'm adding final dry ingredient, which is the yeast. This is a tablespoon of instant yeast. We're gonna combine all of them together. Then I'm going to add 1 large egg. Be careful not to add the shell. 1 cup of pineapple juice. You can use fresh pineapple juice or you can use store-bought. I'm using light pineapple. And then 1 tablespoon of homemade vanilla extract. I'm gonna combine all this together. Now we're going to put it on the stand mixer, attach the dough hook, plug it in, and then start at speed 1 for about 2 minutes. And then we're gonna increase the speed for about 7 to 10 minutes. You continue to whisk this until the dough clears off of the wall of the bowl, and that's when you know that the gluten has formed. As you can see, all the dough have coalesced together. At this point, we stop it. It's still a little sticky, but the whole dough has cleared, and we just want to remove the dough. We are going to transfer it into this bowl. You can either spray it or rub some olive oil. Next, we spray the counter with some olive oil, and we'll try to fold the dough. Then we're going to fold the dough by rounding it up, and then we're going to put it in the bowl and cover it. We'll cover the bowl and let it rise for about 1 hour to 2 hours till it doubles in size. If your place is cold, you can put it inside the oven and turn the light on to regulate the heat, and then that will keep the dough warm at a certain temperature until it rises. After about an hour, the dough has doubled, and we are just deflating the gas, and we shape it, making sure that they are about the same in thickness, shaping it into like a rectangle. And we want to cut it into 16 pieces. Start by then going halfway and into 4, then 8, then 16. We then roll the pieces into a ball and place in a baking tray lined with parchment paper, after which we then cover with kitchen towel for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we flatten and then wrap them individually. In the meantime, we turn on the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit preheat while we do our third rise of the rolls. After about 30 minutes, the rolls have doubled in size, and we are going to egg wash them. This is optional, but to egg wash, you have 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of whole milk. Beat together, and then use a brush and just egg wash. So after we have egg wash, we now place the rolls in an oven at 350 degrees that has already been preheated for about 20 to 30 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. After 25 minutes, the timer went off and the rolls are ready. Let's go check. Make sure you wear a mitten. This smells amazing. So one of the things to do is, this is also optional, is to get melted butter and just spread it on top. And what this does is just to keep it moist, and you can add honey into the butter mixture, but this is just plain butter mixture. And now what we're going to do is to lift it up and let it rot on a rack. This is so amazing. Smells delicious. It's amazing. Look at that. Now we're gonna do a taste test. This is so soft, incredibly delicious. And look at that. Look at that softness. This is amazing and yummy. I would love to see you try this at home and post your own pictures. If this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that we can alert you when we upload new videos. This is Dr. Okeke. Thank you and God bless.